In this video, I buy a motorcycle. Wait, I what? Is that even in the budget? Oh, well, I buy one anyway. It look cool doing it. No, I don't even look good doing it. But whatever.
On this episode, we're going dirt bike riding.
Cheese man.
Really?
$650. I can't go wrong. No, I'm happy with it. It's gonna save a lot of gas money because every other vehicle that I own, you know, burns through grass. Yeah, grass. Yep. Never mind. I'm just gonna shut up now. Okay. Have a good day. So honestly, the whole game plan with this bike is that I'm just gonna ride it. I really don't plan on doing too much to it. Maybe some saddlebags and just some minor work to it. I mean, I paid $650 for it, and I literally have put 400 miles on it within the past, like, I don't know, maybe like month and a half that I've owned it. And to be honest with you, like, it's just perfect the way it is. It needs tires front and back. These tires are just about shot. I know the what would be the driver's side, which would be the left side of the bike. I know that like the mirror on that side, and then like the two turn signals in the back. Like the bike was dumped once before, so like it has some scrapes and stuff. And then there's like a dent in the gas tank. But besides that, the bike's awesome. And people are gonna see this bike and be like, ah, it's just a dude on a Honda Rebel. It is what it is, and not care. Like I just see police officers just looking at me and like, it's a kid on a Rebel. Who cares? So it's only a 250 too. So like it's not like it's a powerhouse or anything. But it was very fitting for me. I've never really rode a motorcycle before, like on a street. Obviously I've been in the motocross and dirt bikes, as you are well aware of on this channel. But it was just something different. But yeah, here's my 2002 Honda Rebel. Oh, so close! You almost had it. This close! This close! Oh, he's going back for more. Nah, he did it again. It's hard on that bike. That bike's weird just because how much bigger it is, and considering the fact that we're still both learning how to actually ride. Like,
I've rode dirt bikes since I was 5 years old, but the whole street bike thing is completely different, especially when you're trying to make sharp turns while sitting. It's just kind of one of those deals where you got to like learn to lean with the bike a little bit. That's why I've been going back and forth like this, because it's just kind of learning how to control the bike a little bit. That sunset, hell yeah. Great day. Great day to be out on the bike, as I have to hold my tear off on my motocross helmet from freaking slapping against the side of the helmet. That gets annoying quick, don't it?